So given the function of x defined by y equals 3x plus 5, if the domain is -4, -1, 2, and 5, what is the range? So one of these possible answers is the range values that match these domain values. So if we remember, the domain values are the x, and I'm going to write a little x underneath it, are the x values for the given function, and the range values are the y values. So in order for us to determine which set of range values are the right ones, all we have to do is plug in these x values into our given function or our given equation, y equals 3x plus 5, and it'll tell us what our y values are, or our range values. So I'm going to replace the x in this function or this equation with the first domain value that they give me, which is -4. So I have y equals, 3 times -4 plus 5. Well, I know that 3 times -4 is -12 plus 5, and that equals -7. Okay, so one of my y values, or one of my range values, is going to be 7. The problem is answers A, B, and D all have 7 in those answers. But the nice thing is answer C does not. So I can cross this one off my list already. All right, let's try the next value. Let's plug in a -1 for x. So instead of y equals 3x plus 5, we're going to have y equals 3 times -1 plus 5. 3 times -1 is -3 added to 5. And when you add those two together, that gives you a 2. But the problem is we still have, oh, you know what? There is no problem. There is no 2 in answer B, and there is no 2 in answer A. So the only one that has a 2 as an answer is answer D. Now we could continue plugging in the 2 into our equation and plugging in the 5 into our equation. I would encourage you to do that. In fact, let's just do it just to be safe. Y equals, instead of 3x plus 5, we'll do y equals 3 times 2 plus 5. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 5, which gives us a y value of 11, which our answer has an 11. And then our last one, y equals 3 times 5 plus 5. 3 times 5 is 15. And when you add that to 5, that gives you 20. And that is our fourth value in our range set. So it looks like answer D is the only possible answer of the given answers. Okay, good luck on that test, you guys.